What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm going to show you how to open up WhatsApp here on your MacBook device, or in other words, how to link your WhatsApp on your iPhone here with your MacBook or laptop, Windows laptop. Regardless of your laptop model, this will work for you and will help you improving your productivity so you can actually reply to texts here using your MacBook device. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I do cover a lot of tech issues, and I also share tech tutorials and hacks. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. So we pretty much have two ways of doing this. For example, first things first, let's quickly hop into our internet browser and go straight into google.com, right? Next up, we're gonna search for WhatsApp web real quick, okay? So once we're here, we're gonna tap on the very first link, which is WhatsApp web. Of course, it needs to be whatsapp.com. It's very important, so you do not fall into a phishing website or a fake website. Now, you do have two things in here that you can do. You can either open up your phone and scan this QR code in here in order to link your WhatsApp into your WhatsApp web. If it's something temporary, for example, you can simply scan here this QR and you'll be linked, okay? Now, if you want something more permanent, I would recommend you guys to download the WhatsApp app. So you want to tap on download in here, and this will take you to the App Store. Here we go, we're now in the App Store, and we do have WhatsApp Messenger in here. All we need to do is simply tap on download in here to download the software. It's going to occupy you 150 megabytes, and this should take you 2 to 5 minutes to download depending on your internet speed. If you have a much slower internet speed, this can take you much time. Now, the process is pretty much similar in here as of the one in here. You just need to download the software, and then the software also will require you to scan this QR code in here. You just need to open up your phone, position the camera scanner, and then position it here. If you're having issues, you can simply open up your iPhone device and then WhatsApp and go all the way to linked devices and then tap on link a new device. That's how easy you can actually link your WhatsApp to your MacBook device so you can start navigating and responding to people through your MacBook device. Thank you so much for making it till the end of the video, and if you find my content useful, consider subscribing, like the video, and let me know down in the comment section if you do have any questions or doubts. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.